Do you want to unmute someone's notes on Instagram? You can unmute notes in the Instagram app with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to unmute someone's notes on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To unmute someone's notes on Instagram. First, open Instagram on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, search for the friend whose notes you want to unmute. Now, find and open their profile page. Once you're on their profile, tap the following button below their profile picture in bio. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, find and tap mute. Again, a new screen will appear with various options. To unmute their notes, simply toggle off the switch next to notes. Once done, you'll start seeing their notes again at the top of your direct messages section.